Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got some friend mail in the mail, y'all. Well, I mean, that's how we get friend mail, right? But this is from Sue. This is from Reviews with Sue. Now, she did not tell me she was sending me anything. I was very surprised when I saw it, and I'm excited because Reviews with Sue, she's a good friend. She has a fabulous channel. She's a big, huge channel, and she sent me something, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at this fabulous bag she sent it in. I did cut it open. On the other side are our addresses and all. So I wanted to show you how cute the bag is. Isn't that adorable? But it is, this is how it came, you know, with the labels. But like I said, I turned the labels on the other side. And Camille is right here, so she may pop into view. So let's see what it is. I have no clue. Like I said, she didn't tell me anything. So let's see. Okay, got that open. I've learned from Ipsy, always make sure you look in the bag, see if there's anything in there. So this is what it says, Mary, and there's a bunch of stars. You know, Sue is Superstars, Superstar Sue. So if you watch her channel, then you know all about her superstars, and that's what we are. And y'all, I'm sure, watch her channel. But if you don't, go see her. I'll put her in the description. She's a great channel. She unboxes everything, absolutely everything. So let's see what the card says. Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute is that? Look how cute that is, y'all. Smiley face. And then look at these are stars, and it says washi tape. I said Sue shows some craft items, and she really loves to craft. And she shows a lot of different unboxings, and she shows that type of thing as well. And she loves washi tape. And I really don't know much about washi tape at all. So I think I said something to her like, what really is washi tape or something. So she's showing me that is washi tape. And look how cute the stars are. And I love the smiley face. That is so cute. Let me open it up. I don't want to damage the sticker. Oh, I did it. Got it without damaging the sticker. There's some tape on it. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, how cute is that? That is adorable. It says, hey, hi, hello. And it's a pretty pineapple. Hey, hi, hello. All right. It says, hi, Mary. Just a little something I had put on the side for you. Enjoy. Love you, Sue. XOXO. Aka Reviews with Sue. And Sue, she has a big house. So she does her videos in different settings around the house. One of her settings is there's a chair behind her, and there are these beautiful pillows, and one of them has a turtle on it. That's what that reminds me of. Isn't that cute? Pretty sticker. Thank you, Sue. I'm just excited getting the card, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, this is all taped up, so let me get some scissors and we'll cut it open here. I can see Sue is like me. She likes tape. And she's got some good bubble wrap, so everything's going to be in good shape in here. Let's see. All right, well, I thought that Camille, I think she jumped on down, y'all, so she found something to play with. All right, let's see. Oops, I got some tape off of that. This is nice bubble wrap. It has like little lines through it, like waves. Oh, how cute is this stuff? Oh, wow. Thank you, Sue. Oh, that's so sweet. Look at this cool bubble wrap. I don't know if you can see those lines in it, but it's sort of like waves. So this is what Sue sent me, y'all. Let me show you a quick peek, and then let's look. This is washi tape. See, I don't even know how to say it right. Washi tape. I think how washi tape works is it's tape, but you can lift it up and move it. I'm pretty sure. All right, I'm looking for the beginning because I was going to try to, you know what? I can't even find the beginning. But look how cute that is, y'all. It's got cats all over it. I love it. If I could find the beginning, I was going to try to just pull it off and see if, you know, how sticky it was. I think that's what it does. Oh, here it is. Here's the beginning. So yeah, it's nice. You can put it down, and then so what, you could use it for crafting, or, you know, on envelopes that you send out to people or something. That is super cute. Thank you, Sue. I love it. I love it. It's got all kinds of cats on it. And then there is this cute, this is from Paper House Productions 3D stickers. Look how cute that is. A whole package of stickers, and there is, let me see if I take it out of the plastic, you might can see it better. Okay, it's all on a piece of plastic, but we might could see it better without the shine. Excuse me. You had me at meow. That's so cute. These are all, look at these, are all 3D. And there's a cute kitten with some yarn, and you had me at meow. And this cute little kitty is saying perfect. And here is a, oh, just a cute, like a button sticker. Oh, and this kitty cat is in a fish bowl. And there's some yarn and some cat food. And this one says, "You are my best friend." Oh, that's sweet. See, three-dimensional, how cute. And then this one says mischief maker. Yeah. And then there's a nice toy. Oh, with a feathered tail. How cute is that? Those are so cute. So now I have to like journal or something to use these, right? And look what Sue sent me. She sent me a journal. Y'all, I don't know much about this. When I was younger, actually when I was in high school, it became a really big thing to carry a date book with you. And, you know, you'd put in, you know, I'll test at 1 o'clock or whatever, that kind of thing. And then we would take stickers. At that time, you didn't find as many things as you can find now for doing that type of journaling. And so you'd cut things out of magazines, you know, like your favorite, you know, a picture of pizza, say, and maybe some picture with friends, and that, you know, went for pizza or something like that. Look how cute this is. I love the design. There's a beautiful black cat with some white on him, and he's wearing glasses. Reminds me a lot of Smudge, and it has plants all around. And the back says, Peter Pauper Press, find gifts since 1928, Smarty Cat's Journal. That's what it says there, Smarty Cats. And it says, I have my favorite cat who is my paperweight on my desk while I am writing. Ray Bradbury said that. 160 lined pages, elastic band placeholder, acid-free archival paper, so you can journal in this and keep it forever. Binding lies flat for ease of use, and inside back cover pocket. Oh, how cool is that? And this is from Rybrook, New York. And look how cute that is. And see that the band has that band on there, pink band. So you can put it back there while you're working or while you're, you know, doing your journaling or writing. And the inside cover is pink. And then it says journal. This is beautiful. And there's a Peter Pauper Press. And then your lined pages. And there are a bunch of lined pages. So you can do what you want in there. And then on the back, it has the beautiful pink lining again. And then there's your pocket. Oh, and it opens up nice and wide. So you can put your stickers or, you know, maybe your tickets to a movie you went to or something that you did, and then you're going to journal about it, but you don't have time right this minute. So you can put it in there to keep it safe. And then if you want to, you can use this, say you've been journaling a few days, you got this much done, and this is where you're at. You can put that there. And whoops, I don't want to ruin the book. You can hold your page, or you can just, if you want to keep it private, you can just put it over the whole thing, and then it locks it back up. Thank you so much, Sue. I love it. I love it. Now, Camille has laid down on some of the stickers. Let's see if I can get them without getting them stuck to her. So I got this beautiful journal. I love it, Sue. Thank you so much. Thank you for thinking of me. And these beautiful stickers. I love them. And the washi tape. I'm excited to use some of the washi tape. So thank you so much, Sue. I love it so much. Thanks for thinking of me. You're so sweet. Y'all, like I said, go see Sue. Sue is right at 10,000. She may not be there right yet, but if you don't know her, go see her, because she will be there soon. And I'm just so proud of her. I've known her a lot. I've known her since before I started my channel, because she's one of the channels that I used to watch before I started my channel. So I just really adore her, and she's just a great lady. She's, even though she's really big, she's still the same lovely person that I met a few years ago. she hasn't gotten a big head over being a big celebrity. So y'all go see her. You'll really like her channel. And tell her Mary sent you, because she likes to introduce people to people. So tell her Mary sent you. Say, hey, thank you all for stopping by and count your blessings. And thank you so much, Sue, for thinking of me. I love it. I love it. This is putting such a great big smile on my face. I love it. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.